Hello, everyone. Today we have one of the instructors from the growing section of our six-part series, How to Make a Million, Christine Souders. Christine is a former news anchor reporter and a current live stream host, moderator, and media consultant. How are you doing today, Christine?
I'm good, Robert. How are you?
Doing good, doing good. Can't complain. All right, so why don't you tell everyone a little bit about the curriculum of the course and some things you might want to emphasize on?
I'm so excited to be asked to participate in this webinar series talking about storytelling to help your capital campaign for nonprofits. Storytelling is key in really reaching hearts of people who are wanting to invest and also support your organization. And so if you're able to really engage with them and essentially pull at their heartstrings in order to have them give, then that has accomplished you gaining your goal of capital campaigning. Storytelling is super important when it comes to that, visually, with videos, and also with live streaming that we're seeing nowadays.
Yeah.
You can easily fundraise with live streaming. And so that is one way to also cut the costs of what you're putting into putting on a fundraiser, but also that engagement with your community and that you're accessible.
That sounds awesome. All right, and then the next question I have for you is, what do you expect, anything in particular you expect participants to come away with at the end of this course?
What I would like people to get out of the course is to know that your story is important, and telling your story is important, and sharing that story and being vulnerable to your community. It's important. It makes you more human, and people want to see your authentic self. And so if you're able to display that by storytelling, then that's going to go a long way for your organization.
All right, well, thank you, Christine, so much. I really appreciate it. We look forward to seeing you on July 15th at 9 a.m. And for everyone watching, make sure not to miss out on this opportunity. Visit myne.org to register today. Thank you, Christine, again, and have a great day now.